Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to actually create Pinterest ads campaign for beginners in 2023. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go to your browser and search for Pinterest. So, let's go here and search for Pinterest as you can see over here. And now, let's go ahead and log in. So let me just choose the American one. So here it is. Now all we need to do is sign up or log in to our account. So I'm going to click on sign up from over here, and here it is. So welcome back because I have already an account. So now how can we create ads on here? That's pretty easy. Go to your account, and as you can see, you need to convert it to a business account. So let's convert it to a business account. So here, this is what you can get. You can get personal. So the personal is only publishing tools, but in the business, you can publish tools, ads manager, insight and analytics, credits and offers. So all you need to do now is click on upgrade. And now you just have to put some kind of a name for your brand. So I'm going here to put, for example, tutorial, and here I'm going to do no English next. So here describe your business. What's the focus of your brand? Here I'm going to choose, for example, education, digital design, events. Let's make it other. And here I'm going to add, for example, technology. All right. Here, what are your goals? Pick up to 3. You can update these in settings. So you can sell more products, drive traffic to your site, create content in Pinterest, grow brand awareness, and this one as well. And then click next. Describe your business. Here, get customized recommendation based on your details. So I'm going to choose blogger, and here I'm going to choose online retail market, actually retail marketplace. So next, here, what do you use to sell your products? So we can choose Shopify and WooCommerce, and if you were using any other thing, you can use it as well, or choose it as well. Here we can just check this something else to actually add something else later on. Here I will click on next. And would you ever be interested in running ads on Pinterest? Yes, I'm interested in the advertising, so make sure to use yes, and then next, and here you go. So where would you like to start? Now all I'm going to do is click on create a pen. Let's click on here. Actually, let's exit this, or let's click on next here. Here we go, and done. So this is like the business hub, as you can see from over here. You can always change this from later on. So here you can see your business hub, the name, monthly views, and here all your data when you create your own pen. And now here, if I click here, you can see like the month, like the month, 7 days, 14 days, 19 days. Here you can click on create to create idea pen or create pen, and here you can go to your business hub, home, etc. So now how we can actually create our ads in Pinterest? That's pretty easy as well. So now after we've done with this, go ahead and search for Pinterest ads, as you can see, and click on the first website. So here it goes. So welcome to the Pinterest Ads Manager. Here we'll use your location, etc. So let's go other, and I'm going to use, for example, United States. So let's use the United States. Let's find this. We can choose whatever actually. Okay, here it is. Next, United States, and then here we are. So accept, and then we can click on continue. So now how we can create our campaign? So here it is. That's pretty easy. Create campaign from here, and here you can choose the information that you'll put in the campaign. So here, choose a campaign objective to build awareness, drive consideration, or get conversions. So here, brand awareness, people discover your brand, products, and other services. Video views. So if you want to like promote a video, here you can make people collect your ad on Pinterest, and here drive people to take actions on your website. So these are 3 things. So for this one, if there is any like link, they must click on it. This one, if there is any like link to the website, they will click on it. And this is only for videos, and that's it. And now after you choose your desired thing, all you need to do is go down, campaign name and status. So here, give it a name. So campaign number 1. And here campaign status. So if you want it to be active or paused. So for now, I will make it paused. Here, campaign budget and schedule. So if you wanted to make daily or lifetime, so forever. So here I'm going to pick daily, and here I will put like flexible daily budget. Here I will fix daily budget, and here I will put, for example, about $10 per day. Here, if I want down, I will click in here campaign schedule. I will choose, for example, on specific date, so from today till tomorrow, and click on continue. So here, guys, I will add here the ad group name. So campaign product one, and here the targets in details. So here I'm going to choose like connect with users, so find new customers, choose your own. So I'm going to find new customers, create a new audience list, and you can add the audience that you like. If you have any like already keywords or something like that for your audience. And yeah, so for example, you can choose this one, you can choose whatever you like. So now I've picked this one. Now audience list, if you have any audience list, you can add it here. Interesting keywords, you can add them here as well. And the demography, so here you can choose a pick specific gender. So if you want like females, for example, you are selling females clothes, so you can pick females. Here the ages, you can pick which age is are those clothes are for, so it doesn't appear for everyone, because you will lose if like a male actually saw your brand for females and he will just ignore it. So and here as well, make sure to choose the correct age. For example, if this product is for young people, so you must remove these things and keep these ones, or you can even keep these two. And so go on. Here you can choose a specific location. So for example, here you can choose United Kingdom, and here for example you can just add it. And if there is, for example, here Argentina, you can choose the regions as well, as you can see. So let's go for example to United States. If I find it US, here you can find all the metros or regions and so go on, so you can pick whatever you like from here. Now after you finish with that, go to languages. You can either even like pick a specific language for those people who are going to receive your ads. And here as you can see the devices, so if you want to be in phones, like TV, tablets, iPad, PCs, and so on. So you have to pick whatever you like here. As you can see, web, mobile web, iPad, iPhone, Android tablet, Android mobile, and so on. And here optimization and delivery automatically or custom. You can choose whatever you like. And here the ads pin to promote. So create a pin, create an idea. So here you create a pin, so you can use it as your ad. So you can select one of your already existing pins, or create a new pin, or create an idea pin. And when you finish everything, all you need to do is click on here to publish, and you will be ready to go. But now I have no pen, so let me create a pen real quick. So I'm going to pick this, for example, publish it. Let's create board, league, create here, champion, and here something like that, and publish. So let's remove this actually. Publish. Okay, let's make something. www dot League of Legends.com, and here we go. So here it is, and now we can click on actual publish. So here we go, publish it, and here you will have to put your billing history. So here I'm clicking to save. You must put some information about you to fill your business information and make your account certified, and then you will have to actually add your credit card. And with that being done, you can actually launch your first ads campaign on Pinterest. So yeah guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.